everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can see from the title, I've got a home bargains haul for you today, so let's get straight on into the video. They do have some really lovely Mother's Day bits in home bargains at the moment, but if you're looking for something extra special, I just want to shout out this jewellery brand before getting into what I got from home bargains. You guys will know that I've worked with Anna Louisa before, and they are pretty much the only jewellery that I wear. You'll see that I constantly wear this necklace, it never comes off even in the shower, neither does this bracelet, and then I always have like these earrings in and usually a ring on or something by them. But I do think they're a really lovely Mother's Day gift. So they are a carbon neutral brand, so they do good for the environment as well. All their pieces are really affordable. They start at around the £30 mark. So I'm going to show you 3 new pieces that I've picked up today. So the first item that I got was this really lovely ring. So it's gold plated, and then it's got these little diamonds in it. What I love about Anna Louisa pieces are they are so versatile, they are so classic and so timeless, and that's why I just end up not taking them off, to be honest. I've also got pieces for my nan and also for my friends, and everybody just loves them, so I really do highly recommend them if you are looking for something really nice, even if it's just for yourself actually, because there's nothing wrong with treating yourself either. And then I also picked up these earrings. These, again, they have like a little diamante, and then they've got like this like really tiny chain kind of like drop down on them. And I've seen people wear these before and they look so elegant and so classy. Do you know, even if you've just got like a simple like black outfit on and then you've got a detail like this on the earrings, I mean, you guys will know I am such an earring wearer. Like, I have naturally very curly hair and sometimes it can look a little bit crazy, to be honest. But I feel like if I've got a pair of earrings in and some lipstick on, I always say this, I feel like I look a little bit more put together. So the next item that I picked up was this really beautiful necklace. So it's very simple in design. I thought this would actually look really lovely in summer. I feel like I might switch this one out for this one in summer. I feel like if you're going away on holiday, you've got like a really nice just kind of like black one-piece swimsuit and you've got gold jewellery on, I feel like this is like a really summery design. I don't know why. I don't know if the circles remind me of like shells or something, I don't know, but I feel like this look gorgeous. And again, what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description box down below, so definitely make sure to click through there. There's 20% off site wide at the moment, so definitely check it out while you can get a bargain. And then I'll leave all the new pieces, I'll leave their names down in the description box, as well as the bits that I'm wearing today, if they've still got them in the store. I believe they still have from when I was looking on the website. So yeah, if you are interested in any of these pieces, don't forget to go and check them out. They are a great brand. And now moving into what I got from Home Bargains. So the first thing that I picked up was, sorry that it's open, it was my nephew's birthday over the weekend and I had to open it, but it's this really lovely wrapping paper. So this is great for boys or girls actually, because it's just got animals on it, it's very neutral, and I just love the colours of it. I know a lot of people are kind of doing like nurseries in this sort of theme at the moment, so even if you actually want, oh, does it have happy birthday on it? Oh, it does. I was going to say, even if you wanted to like cut a little bit off and frame it, but it does have happy birthday on, so you probably couldn't do that. But yeah, it's just such a lovely wrapping paper, and for 3 meters it was 69p, and it was very easy to wrap with. Some wrapping papers are awful, like they just tear, or they're so thick you can hardly fold them. I then picked up this 3-pack of storage baskets because I am going to organise finally my kitchen cupboard, particularly my snack cupboard. I feel like I've really got to organise it because I've got like naughty snacks with lighter snacks, and I am trying to be a little bit healthier now that I've had my daughter, so I just want to separate them and have almost like a shelf where it's like, if I'm feeling peckish with my afternoon cup of tea, because I need a snack with my afternoon cup of tea, that's not going to change, that I have like a healthier section, not healthy, but a healthier section that I can just grab from. Because at the moment, like, I've got my twirls with like my fibre bars, and if there's a twirl there, she's gonna have the twirl probably. So yeah, I picked these up, and I do really like the colour. I feel like this is kind of a new colour for those, so obviously like beiges and stuff is in at the moment. I mean, these are just going in the cupboard, so it doesn't matter too much, but yeah, it is a nice colour. They've also got them in pale pink. I've got those ones in the bathroom, I love that colour, and also grey as well, and these were £4.99 for 3. Oh, and by the way, these are like really thick and durable. They're not like the weak flimsy baskets, so definitely worth the £4.99. And then talking of snacks, for my daughter's Easter basket, I picked up these Lollies. So these were only 99p and you're getting 6. And do you know what? I do love a little bit of cheap chocolate, I do. Then talking of more snacks, I don't know, yeah, okay, I've got a few snacks in this haul. Do you know what? I just go in there and always have like new bits to try and I can't help myself. But yeah, so these are the only natural ones. So I used to have the cherry Bakewell naked bars when I was at uni, and I used to eat them so much. I've not had them in ages, and I noticed this pack had some in, and I feel like they're that sort of thing, so I thought I'd give them a go. They've also got blueberry muffin, which I thought sounded really nice, and cocoa orange as well. And this pack of 6 was £1.99, which I don't think is too bad, because from supermarkets sometimes 3 bars, oh it's awful when there's only 3, but 4 bars can be like £2, so this is actually a really good value. I picked up some cheddars. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love these. I think these are 99p. Oh, they're just so delicious with a little bit of cheese on, or onion chutney. I'll be honest, at Christmas time I'm not into like posh crackers or anything. I'll just get these, some cranberry Wensleydale with some like Taste the Difference onion chutney, and oh, taste sensation. So yeah, I have picked these up. My daughter likes these, and to be honest, sometimes if I'm just having a little bit of a picky lunch, a little bit of salad, a little bit of cheese, some crackers, delicious. I'm gonna be honest, I did just pick up some essentials. So you get 32 in here, and I think these are like £3.50. And then I was watching back my Come Shop With Me when I was editing it, and I can't believe I missed this. So they've got the St. Moritz self tan remover now in there. Now don't look at my hands today because they are awfully tanned. I got some of their clear spray, and last night I put some on, and then I had to go and wash my baby's bottles. I am breastfeeding, but we're doing 1 bottle at night time, so I went and washed it, and I was like, oh no, okay, got my hands wet, I best put some more tan on. Put some more tan on, and yeah, they've gone like way too dark now. But anyway, got this self tan remover because my neck normally goes patchy first, and obviously like in the summer it's actually really hard to hide your neck. It's all right in the winter because you can put stuff on like this and it can hide it, but yeah, in the summer it's really difficult. So I thought I'd pick some of this up, and it looks like it's got like scrubby bits in. I don't know if it actually does anything apart from exfoliate the skin. I hope it has something in it that also helps remove it, because this was £3.99. But yeah, I'll give it a go, and hopefully it'll be good. I mean, if it is good, you'll see it again in my hauls because I'll probably stock up on it before it runs out. I also got some more of these Dormeal pasta twists. I always mention these, are like £1 each, and yeah, they're just like the quickest, easiest lunch. Throw some peas in with it, or some frozen veg that you've cooked with some pasta sauce and some like already cooked chicken or sandwich meat, and yeah, you've got yourself a really delicious, kind of more healthy lunch. Also great if you've got kids. I always say that, like my daughter goes from like not being hungry to being like super hungry super quick, and these only take like 1 minute 30 in the microwave, and she only tends to have half a pack, so even shorter amount of time. Then also got some hobnobs. My hubby loves hobnob. In fact, he threw these in because he was with me this time. Oh, and these ones are actually different. I don't know if you knew that when he picked them up. So these are chocolate brownie flavour, which I don't know how they're gonna make a chocolate hobnob taste like chocolate brownie, if you know what I mean. I don't know what the difference is between a chocolate hobnob brownie and a chocolate brownie hobnob. God, that's really difficult to say. But yeah, so got those. I'm sure they'll be nice either way. I've already opened these. I can't resist these bars. These are the Bakeville 90 calorie fibre bars. I think Poundland and B&M also do the Mo Health ones as well. I find the unbranded ones a little bit drier than the Fibre One ones. The Fibre One ones are the best, I would say, but still really like these, and these are only £1 I believe, and you get 4 in there. For 99p, also to go in my daughter's Easter basket, I got this Cadbury Dairy Milk buttons. She definitely takes after me and she loves Cadbury's buttons. I've not, apart from this and the chocolate lollies, all of which won't go in her Easter basket, probably just like 1 or 2 will. I'm not going to get her any more Easter eggs. She's got loads of like aunties and uncles that will treat her, and also to be honest, it will take her a long time to get through it because obviously we limit how much chocolate she can have in a day. So I quite like that this one is small. And then if you've watched my Poundland haul, which was I think my previous video or the one before that, I've got a kind of like loads of different activities to do, and I feel like that's quite like a good thing to bulk out like your kids with Easter. And then my hubby also picked up some of these Costa Tassimo Americanos. I mean, I do like coffee, but I have to be really careful with how much I drink because it can give me migraines. And in the past, I've had problems, and I have like linked that down to coffee with like my head and stuff, because I just feel a little bit fuzzy if I have too much. I'm okay if I have like a cup of coffee every now and again, but it's when I routinely have it I start to feel a little bit fuzzy headed. So yeah, unfortunately I can't drink loads of it. But yeah, he likes these ones, and I believe these were £4.79, and you get 16 in there. Now I don't normally do this, but I am switching the house up a little bit for spring. Nothing major, really nothing major at all. But I did pick up this candle to kind of like just add a little bit of those spring colours. I think it's because last spring I was really poorly in my pregnancy. I just really want to make the most of it this year, to be honest. So yeah, I picked up this one. It's a Whitfield & Co one in Rose Garden. And of course I just absolutely love this colour. You guys know that I love pink, and this smells absolutely delicious in the shop. It almost smells a bit like soap. I want to say, I don't know, like we had this soap in the 90s and it smelled like this, so it smells really fresh. Maybe kind of like washing, kind of like soap. So if you like those kind of really fresh scents, this one is a good one for you. Yeah, I wouldn't say it mega smells like rose, to be honest. I'm not the biggest fan of rose scents. I'd say it's very, very subtle in there, but yeah, it's more fresh than anything else. And yeah, get through these like nobody's business. I also picked up a new sponge. I mean, this is basic. This was 39p. I normally get the pack of 3, but they didn't have any in, so I just picked this one up. And yes, I did get it in pink again. There I was saying I was limiting chocolate. Well, I'm not really, am I? Because look, I've got some more chocolate eggs here. These will probably be for her Easter egg hunt, and I might split it actually across the days, because I do feel like I've probably got a bit crazy with the whole Easter this year. Do you know what? It's because Poundland and Home Bargains, they had so much lovely Easter stuff in, particularly if you're looking for wreaths and decor as well. Oh my god, so much gorgeous stuff in. I've got a Home Bargains come shop with me with the Easter stuff in. I will link it below if you want to see that. And then I've got a Poundland one going up. I think it'll be after this video, so do make sure to look out for that, because they've got some really good stuff in. And yeah, to be honest, I'll probably end up having quite a few of these as well, because I do love a bit of cheap chocolate, me. So I think they were 99p. I picked up some Aquafresh. I always get this one. This was £1.49. I swear that's gone up 50p, but it's worth it. It doesn't play my teeth up. And then finally, not a very exciting item to finish on, but my hubby has chucked in some tired eye drops, so up to these ones. I just had a look at the receipt. These were like 89p, and when I had hay fever, particularly suffered with it before my pregnancies. I think the hormones in pregnancy like change, and I don't suffer with it quite as bad, but I used to have the tablets, the spray that you put up your nose, and have to have eye drops as well. And I swear the eye drops that I used to get were like a £5, whereas these are like 89p, which is really good. And these are just moisturising ones. So he wears contact lenses, and his eyes can sometimes feel a little bit dry. So yeah, I think that's why he got those. So yeah, if you struggle with anything like that, then maybe it's a good place to look. Instead of Boots, give them a go. I don't think he's had these ones before though, so I can't say whether they're any good or not. And that was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to go and check out Anna Louisa through the link in the description box below if you are after some really good quality jewellery pieces. If you did like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.